Hiya guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is really a bit of a weird one. So we recently got this A40 V50 Elite action camera, and I've also invested in this DJI Osmo 3 mobile gimbal, so I can use that to take footage on my smartphone. We're not a tech channel, so I don't want to dwell on the tech too much, but I was out and about testing it out ahead of our Peaks journey next weekend. So we're going to do a road trip into the Peak District, myself and Liam. He'll be in the Moggy, I'll be in the Austin. And I just really wanted to get a feel for the tech before we got there, just to make sure I can capture the best footage as possible for that video. But because I've recorded that footage, I thought, well, why not get it up online for you guys to see? You know, you might enjoy it, and hopefully it'll make sure that that footage next weekend comes out the best it possibly can. So yeah, without further ado, let's just roll the footage and enjoy.